Victor Penev, founder of Edamam, and we are organizing the world's food knowledge so we can give it back to people so they can eat right and make smart food choices. You see, at Edamam, we believe that food is the ultimate medicine, and that if people eat right, they can live up to 120 years free of chronic conditions and mental illnesses. So we set ourselves a goal. We want to reach everyone on the planet and help them make the right food choices. But to do that, we need to partner with businesses where people actually make food choices. Grocery stores, restaurants, dietitian offices, corporate wellness sites. Our goal is eventually to be the nutrition data engine behind every single health, wellness, and food business on the planet. And we are well on our way with clients like Nestle, Amazon, the Food Network. We are reaching hundreds of millions of people. And with a couple of deals that will be implemented this year, we'll be reaching billions. We are also becoming the go-to place for nutrition data, with over 1,000 businesses subscribing to our API every month. They come to us because we have the largest data sets, the broadest, the deepest data set at the best price. But they also come to us because we offer unique value-added services. Our technology allows us to create real-time nutrition analysis of any food, ingredient list, or recipe in real time. We also can do on-the-fly meal recommendations from a database of over 3 million meals focused on any condition, diet, taste, and we can do it quickly and efficiently. That's why businesses come to us. Of course, we couldn't have done that without the team we have. We're a bunch of scrappy entrepreneurs. My claim to fame is that I built Bulgaria's largest internet company, but the real stars of the teams are the engineers who build a technology that allows us to do what we do. We're singularly focused on our mission to help everyone on the planet eat better, which brings me to you, because we see you as our extended team. And if you, like me, believe that food is the ultimate medicine, come talk to me, because together we can achieve better health through better food. Thank you.